When it comes to home renovations, homeowners are always on the lookout for ways to add elegance, character, and a touch of history to their living spaces. One often overlooked element that can greatly enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of a home is the staircase. Whether you have a traditional or contemporary staircase, incorporating antique staircase hardware can transform an ordinary staircase into a stunning architectural feature that is both functional and timeless. In this video, we will explore the benefits of antique staircase hardware in renovations, discuss different types of hardware available, and provide tips on how to incorporate antique elements into your staircase design. Antique staircase hardware possesses a unique charm that cannot be replicated by modern designs. These handcrafted pieces evoke a sense of history and nostalgia, instantly transforming a staircase into an artful centerpiece of your home. Antique hardware was often crafted with intricate details and exquisite designs that are hard to find in contemporary pieces. Each piece carries with it a story, making it a conversation starter and an element that adds character and personality to your overall home decor. One of the most common antique staircase hardware pieces found in renovations are handrail brackets. These brackets, traditionally made of brass, iron, or wood, were used to support the handrail and provide stability to the staircase. Antique handrail brackets often feature ornate designs such as floral motifs, acanthus leaf patterns, or intricate scrollwork. When considering antique handrail brackets, it is important to choose a style that complements the overall design of your staircase, whether it is classic or contemporary. Newel posts, the large vertical posts at the bottom and top of a staircase, are another significant element that can be replaced with antique pieces during a renovation. Antique newel posts are often made of wood or cast iron and feature decorative carvings, turning, or unique finials. These posts can be sourced from salvage yards or specialty antique suppliers, offering an authentic vintage touch to your staircase. Replacing balusters with antique pieces is another way to add character and visual interest to your staircase. Balusters, the vertical supports that connect the handrail to the staircase, were traditionally made of wood, iron, or a combination of both. Antique balusters may feature intricate carvings, twisted designs, or metal accents that can bring a touch of old-world charm to your home. Furthermore, to create a unique and visually appealing staircase, consider combining antique and modern elements. For instance, you can replace the newel posts and handrail brackets with antique pieces while opting for contemporary balusters or vice versa. This combination allows you to preserve the elegance of antique hardware while incorporating a modern twist into your overall design. Oftentimes, antique hardware may require restoration or refinishing before it can be integrated into your renovation project. Consult with professionals skilled in restoration techniques to bring out the original beauty of the antique pieces. This process may include cleaning, repairing, and repainting or refinishing the hardware to match your desired aesthetic. When incorporating antique staircase hardware into your renovation, pay attention to small details that can make a significant impact. Choose hardware that matches the architectural style of your home, ensuring a seamless integration. Consider the color scheme and overall aesthetic of your space to create a cohesive look that showcases the beauty of the antique elements. Antique staircase hardware is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to add elegance, character, and a touch of history to their home renovations. From handrail brackets to newel posts and balusters, antique pieces offer exquisite craftsmanship and intricate details that can transform a staircase into a stunning architectural element. By carefully incorporating these elements into your staircase design and paying attention to the small details, you can create a timeless and visually appealing space that reflects your personal style and appreciation for antique craftsmanship. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.